Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to discuss link queries over data table. So how we can use link queries in data table. So I'm going to define one data table data underscore first having two columns, item and count, and there will be a dt underscore filtered table which I will be using to filter out data based on count column. So let's see how we can do that. So first I have to create a data table using build data table. Column name would be item. Here I will define -1. Okay. Here it will be count. Okay. So this is the data table. So there are three items where we are having count as 2. Okay, now I will be using assign activity and then be creating. So we have to create two data table variables. So here it will be dt underscore control k dt underscore first, and there will be one data table variable dt underscore filtered. Now to write link queries, there is certain format which we have to follow, where we have to define the variable first, then we have to define the data source, then we have to select the data, then we have to apply the condition and then select the data. Apply the condition and then select the data. So to define the variable, we have to use from row in dt underscore first. Here we don't have to define the data source, as we have to apply the condition only, where row column name is count to 2. We have to change it to integer. Row, then we have to convert it to copy it to data table. So this is it. So it will give us where the count is 2. Now we can use write line, and here we can use we have to first use for each row dt underscore filter. Now here we can write current row item dot to string plus having some space and then plus count. So this will give us all the filtered rows. So let's see the output panel. So we can see we are having 3 items which are having 2 as count. So this is the way we can apply a link query over DataTable. In the next video we are going to see how we can apply link query on XML documents. Thank you.